Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Move! Hey, guys, today we're with Mugs with Fly Away. Yeah, man, Mugs with Fly Away. Big up yourself, Country Hype. It's a year production. It's a Country Hype production. Yes, big up the video personnel. I don't know who it is yet, but me like to see the clean video them. So, make me sure no where me I say. Let me get that one there. Hey, let's go. So we see Mugs right there. So in a big apple. He bought a big apple, big firing, you know, cause no falling, no a big firing this, you know. So I just want at that time out to big up all I get to youth them, but believe that them craft, believe that anything wanna do, brother. Once you talent up here, you know, and not travel the world, is a plus. Big up on yourself. Me like that. So Mugs, big up yourself, BG. Yes, special big up to Mugs. Jumping on that show, Mugs. I said, let's go, Mugs. Boss, clean. Don't spit the book in high school. Clean. Mugs would Fly Away. Yes. Country Hype music. Dream, shot this. Big up yourself, Dream. Dream X, let's go.
When I die,
yeah.
Please don't scatter roses.
Yeah.
I was drowning, I was hopeless, and no one seemed to notice.
Yeah.
I was chosen.
When I die, please don't scatter roses. I was drowning, I was... Yo, what y'all said to me, Mugs? What y'all said to me, Mugs? I got my glasses, man. Me don't need them. Me can't see clearly. Country, make up myself again, me G. Mugs, what y'all say? When I die, Lord God.
Yo, serious.
Watch out, man. Yeah.
When I die, please don't scatter roses.
Not do that.
I was drowning, I was hopeless, and no one seemed to notice. I was chosen.
Definitely.
But I'm fight, they're just part of the process. More work hard and keep the father the closest. No wonder how I'm go sad, I'm a broken, me thank you God.
The man I say, yo, him I wonder how him go so hard and he was broken. Where him find the strength from? Where it forward from? Thank you, God. Up above. Up above. Up above. Up above. What? What? Buckler. What, Mugs? Pass outside that suit and I call. You don't call me G? Me call I watch you, brother. Me call I watch you, dog, in the snow. In a suit. And in a big jacket, my fam. And a Timberlands. Ready anyway, let's go.
When I die,
yeah.
Please don't scatter roses.
Yeah.
I was drowning, I was hopeless, and no one seemed to notice. I was chosen.
Yeah.
But I'm fight, they're just part of the process. More work hard and keep the father the closest. No wonder how I'm go sad, I'm a broken, me thank you God. Me still there upon the tar. Me survive the worst, come on me soft. Prepare for karma, I'm a plan for war.
Yeah, me survive the worst, cause man no soft, brother. We grow rough like scotch, bright dog. We no soft like sponge, no dog.
Broken, me thank you God. Me still there upon the tar. Me survive the worst, come on me soft. Prepare for karma, I'm a plan for war. Me plan for all, me thank you God. Me do the most, come in a plan for fall. But for my goals, come in a plan for stall. Remember, I'll never die, all of my dogs live on. I wanna fly away. Get my wings and fly away.
Yeah, da, powerful.
much pain, me couldn't hide these tears. I'ma tell you, man, that only life we fear. Feel love it even make no sense to try these days. I'ma see a lot of fake, but I don't like me.
What the fuck gonna say?
Feel love it even make no sense to try these days. I'ma see a lot of fake, but I get my wings and fly away. So much pain, me couldn't hide these tears. I'ma tell you, man, that only life we fear.
Yo, all you said is that when me say this, people don't understand. Me say, yo, me afraid to live. Me scared to live. Me not afraid of that. Me scared to live. Cause some shit will go another world nowadays. Me I tell you, dog. The man say I'm scared to live. I'm not afraid for dead. Watch out, man. When you have app like ChatGPT, brother, I do everything for you. When you can chat to an app and the app a reason with you in your own dialect, in your own language, you say, yo, what the fuck I go on? How I go on planet Earth? Yo, it not in the number life. I think about some of them things available to our fingertips, you know? Yo, listen. Listen, man.
So much pain, me couldn't hide these tears. I'ma tell you, man, that only life we fear. Feel love it even make no sense to try these days. I'ma see a lot of fake, but I don't like me care.
We see how that fake, but I don't like we care, brother. Yeah, man, feel love it, bro.
It's like me out up on a high-speed chase. Only time I go tell you no, say I'll be great. Me go for what I want, me no try leap fear. Can't wait, pump, keep off a fly these days. Thank you, God. Me still lay up on the tar. Me survive the worst, come on the soft. Prepare for karma, I'm a plan for war. Me plan for war. Me thank you, God. Me do the most, come in a plan for fall. But for my goals, I'm in a plan for stall. Remember, I'll never die, all of my dogs live on. I wanna fly away. Get my wings and fly away.
Powerful out. Powerful out. No joke. Yeah, man.
Spread my wings and fly away. Wanna fly away, fly away. My mind is stuck in my dark ways, but I can't change them marks. So my heart, them I put it on sale. Forgive me for my past ways, but I can't tell me if you're looking at my thoughts, then you're looking at me. I'm a did I forgo hard, I become I can't feel. I'm a done promise my father, I'm out of God jail. But when I go sit dog like some in a grave, me realize I'm not far, me dead to my last days.
Man say him promise him father say he wouldn't go jail, but when him seeing dogs like zoom in a grave.
See dog like some in a grave, me realize I'm not far, me dead to my last days.
Clot. Contract, big up yourself, bro. Mugs, I wanna touch him, my fam. Deep. Yeah, man, Mugs, big up yourself, my G, man. Fuck. G, make up yourself. Contract, make up yourself. Mugs, make up a fucking 7G. Yo, that one a deep. That one a relatable, bro. That one a relatable. And the man a chat some things on that one, your dog. I always say, like me saying on the video a while ago, I always say, bro, me afraid to live, dog. I'm afraid of it because we don't know what go on after that. But I'm afraid to live, bro. And them I think what go on in the world, I'm afraid to live, bro. I'm afraid to. Remember they say, the good die young? Sometimes me think say, yo, the good people, them dead, are passed away, or whatever you want to class it as. For God, I put them in a one better place than which part them the death on earth, brother. Because earth is a terrible place. Earth is a terrible place. I'm not joke. Don't get me wrong, you know. Me like the life, I love the life where me created for myself. But how much people can say that? How much people can say that I actually mean that shit, bro? You see me? Yo, people are go through it, bro. So big up yourself, Mugs, bro. That one I cut deep, me G. Mugs with Fly Away. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one. Contract, big up yourself. Mugs, big up yourself. And I'll catch you down there. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.